Hello Stampers and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. Today I'm showing you the Frosted Floral Specialty Designer Series paper from the Holiday Mini Catalog. And if you've been following me for like even a day, you know I love flowers. So I am super loving this paper. The other cool thing about this, and which that's what makes it the specialty, is the fact that it is printed on shimmery cardstock. So it actually has like a shine to it, and it is super, super gorgeous. It has like almost a pearlized, just like a nice sheen to it, and it is just absolutely stunning. I love the flowers and the color combinations for this set too. Super, super gorgeous. And like these also make great like background patterns, but then the other ones make great like focal point patterns because they're so big with their nice giant flowers. So since the little swatch in the catalog just isn't enough for seeing this amazing paper, then I'm showing you each sheet here today. And let me know which one your favorite is in the comments below. So what did you think of the Frosted Floral Specialty Designer Series paper? Isn't it absolutely stunning? I love it. Did you let me know which one your favorite sheet is in the comments below? Of course, you probably guessed it, but this one here is my favorite. And then my second favorite is probably this purple dotted one. I super love that one too. I just think it's just gorgeous. So let me know which one your favorite is. Of course, be sure to check out my blog, laurastamppad.com, as I will be posting samples using this as well as other things from the Holiday Mini Catalog on there. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe if you're new, as I'll be posting more on the designer series paper from the Holiday Catalog, as well as fun samples and tutorials too. I'll see you guys all next time. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.